Manufacturing technology is a term that can refer to a number of modern methods of science, production, and engineering that assist in industrial production and various manufacturing processes. Material science, on the other hand, is an interdisciplinary field involving the properties of matter and its applications to various areas of science and engineering. In this section, we will deal with certain important questions pertaining to manufacturing and material science. This question would be like, what is pitting? What is caustic embrittlement? Why is cast iron seasoning important before machining? What is the role of nitrogen in welding, and many more?